La 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 la.
Russia, and working for company Inferum. For more than 10 years we've been working on elaborating this device, a medical device, and finally in 2016 it came to the market. This device is designed to correct blood pressure, namely to correct high blood pressure and also to treat low blood pressure. This device has received medical registration, which means it has a kind of quality mark and allowed to be used on the human body. So this is a not miracle device, it's kind of normal working physical therapy device which apply electrostimulation on certain zone, which in reflex has an effect on blood pressure. So either it treated to raise it up or it treats to reduce blood pressure. So this device should be applied fully as a treatment course, meaning from 1 to 3 procedures, usually 2 procedures per day for 14 days. Only after 14 days we may see the results. Of course, some results can be present even after 1 use of this device, but these results will not be stable. They will disappear within a couple of hours. They will last for 2 or 3 hours, and then they will disappear. Therefore, as scientific research and trial confirms, the most reliable, most stable results are achieved after treatment course for 14 days.
Before we go ahead, don't forget to click the subscribe button on my channel.